Frances Quilts is on location at the International Quilt Festival. Come have a walk around with me. Hey guys, welcome back to Frances Quilts. My name is Frances Arnold and I am today at the International Quilt Festival in Houston, Texas. We're going to have a look at some of the machine quilting here today. There's some gorgeous pieces and I can't wait to show them to you. This year they didn't have a machine quilting category, so all of these wonderful pieces are spread throughout the show. Our first quilt is for all the marbles, and look at the wonderful designs that were quilted into this quilt. That's such a beautiful signature design there, and then I absolutely adore the border and the addition of all of those circles and fleur-de-lis type designs. Next is Ryan and Virginia's album quilt. Again, the thing I love about this is coming right here, and it's where they have used those parallel lines to define an additional area, another area in the quilt. And you can't beat all the feathers either. Red. This one's a little hard to see and I apologize, but just some wonderful free motion designs here. I do not believe that this was done with a computerization, and just some excellent designs built into these into this fabric. My Garden Party. Look at these straight lines. I love that they are not exactly straight. I love that they are not exactly even in how they are spaced, and I love how much texture they provide for the rest of the quilt, really allowing those other areas to pop up and show. Songbirds and Roses. This one, look especially at the straight lines over on the right there, with the 2 or 3 lines close together and then one line further apart, just giving some great spacing there. And again, these new designs that they have brought in. Desert Rose. I'm thinking that this was probably computer aided, but boy did she have to do a lot of calculations to make sure everything was in place. Look at those flowers, don't those just pop off of the side? And have a really good look at the borders on this quilt, or on the finishing on this quilt. Every one of those little half circles has been quilted. Floriferous. All I can say is, how in the world did she get so much texture into this quilt? The quilting just adds a truly different dimension that is magnificent. Sakura Moon. Now, I know that I've put this in with free motion quilting, but this is actually hand quilting, and I want you just to have a good look at the evenness of the stitches, and again, the magnificent designs that have been added to the quilt with the quilting. Well done. That was a great exhibit, wasn't it? There's more to come, so check back next week and we'll look at some more of these wonderful quilts with this amazing quilting. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and as always, I look forward to seeing you next time on Frances Quilts. Remember, if you like what you've seen, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please check out my website and daily blog at francesquilts.com, and I can be found on Facebook and Instagram at Frances Quilts. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope to see you again soon.